Hello everyone, this is Zeno1 and in this video you may want to get the active developer badge on Discord. For whatever reason, you may be a developer or something, so you might need it for many reasons and it's not my business. So the first thing I want you to do is to go to this link. I will put it on the description, and yeah, here you have to create your new application or have already an application. I think because you're a developer you already know that. So yeah, you go to your app and it can be anything really, you don't need a specific app. So this is the second website I want you to go to, and it's also in the description. I will put it there, so check it out. And here it is. This one helps you get the badge easily. So all you have to do here, you have to click next, and then yeah, I already typed that before I record this video, so yeah, I'm gonna show you again. So you make sure you are on general information, and then you go to your application ID, copy that and paste it here. Then you copy the other one that says public key, just click the copy here and then you paste it here next. So you get a link here. You either select all your, or you just press Ctrl A and copy that, yeah, and you put it here on interaction endpoint URL. Actually this before, so it's already here, and then you click next. And now for the 2 oath or whatever it is, oath 2. So here you go to oath 2 and reset the secret. Yes, do it, and then you just copy that one and you paste it here next. And you don't click next this time. This time you click this link. Alright, I see that you are in here, and then you pick this server. Oh, and make sure the server is community server. I'm gonna show you that in, for example, here. You have to go over to community and make sure it's active, and then once you make sure it's active you just click authorize, and that's it. Now here for the last one you just do /finish, and yep, here it is. And all you have to do is to click here on discord.com developers active developer, and yeah, probably you will get this message that you are not eligible, but don't worry. Here it say that you have to recheck on 24 hours. So yeah, you have to wait 24 hours, and congratulations, you have the Discord badge. But make sure that you are actually using the bot, or you will actually lose that badge. And sad for you. Yeah, that's all I have to do. And I hope I showed you something today that helps you, that you didn't know before, and I hope you like this video. Goodbye.